Hi, this is Daryl Wittenberg with Industrial Solutions, here to show you another feature of our R2W or Ready to Weld System 3. If you were watching our video last week, we showed you a couple of 8-inch Schedule 40 welds from root to cap. The arc time on those welds was about 9 minutes. We had a client ask us if we could do an ID weld because they build pressure vessels and they're back gouging so that they can have a good area for their sub-arc application. They want to get out of the back gouging because nobody wants to back gouge inside that vessel. So we're going to do a V to V butt joint, and we're going to weld the inside of this 16-inch pipe with a 1-inch wall to see if we can give them a good build up there so they could sub-arc directly into that and not have to go through that back gouging exercise. What we have here is our HMI, our control panel. And on this, we've got our pipe OD, or that's actually the ID that we have in there at 14 inches because we have a 16-inch pipe with a 1-inch wall. We're traveling at 12 inches a minute. We're doing a wire feed speed of about 350. We're monitoring our arc gap through the torch, and we've got that set at 240. We've got some correction built into this. And we're going to do this in one pass. So it says it's running the first pass, and it's going to end at the finish of that first pass. So I think we're ready to go. Let me line this up and we'll get it started off. Okay, so we did that weld, and it was roughly between 4 and 5 minutes. We were running about 12 inches a minute. We were able to get the entire ID done in one pass. Again, this is 16-inch pipe with a 1-inch wall. We've got about a 3/32 to an 1/8 inch of fill on the inside, and we just broke down on the outside so they can clean that a little bit when they cut their tacks out. There's no back gouging required, and they can go right into this now with a sub-arc. This will save them literally hundreds of hours on each one of their vessels. So I think this is a good application. Thank you for watching today. Just another way that we can show you that Industrial Solutions, we bring solutions because solutions is our middle name.